Alright everybody, today's Sunday. Hope everybody's having a great day so far. Time and temperature check is about 12:30, and it's a nice cool breezy day. Beautiful. We have some serious clouds coming from the west, but it's not going to rain today. Temperature's going to be up all day. And I had talked yesterday about the bow corners and how it's time to do the headboard, but today I'm going to work on the top bows because that's not going to be a very loud adventure. Now, I'm not looking for sympathy, and I don't normally want to talk about my personal business a whole lot, but April 1st of 2019 I suffered a fall at work and went about 12 feet onto the back of my skull on the concrete and should have been killed. The repercussions from the spinal injury and the traumatic brain injury and severe concussion I had seriously affected my brain for the better part of a year and a half, and I still am having residual effects. One of them is this box here. I completely forgot about this speedometer. Is a Jeep speedometer a friend gave me 3 years ago for my Weasel. And I forgot that I bought this. Darn. In fact, I forgot about the whole darn box. This is the socket for the trailer plug, and we're going to be looking at some other things too. Bow corners. These are not World War II issue. Let me turn that so the triangle is up. We can see how that little triangle there is rounded at the peak. These are M series, and I got these from a good friend of mine in Southern California before I moved here, knowing that it would be difficult, thinking that it would be difficult to find troop seat hardware. Little did I know the equipment would be falling out of the sky at me. So I don't remember when, because that's another part of it, I had these sandblasted, but I do remember painting them shade 8, and I have 14 of them in this box. There are 2 there. I only need 12. So, I mean, they're done. There are 5 right there. Six, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 4 for posterity right there. Anyway, that's work that I don't, noisy work that I don't have to do today. And to just finish out this portion of the video, take care of yourselves out there. Be careful at work. The man ain't paying you to go kill yourself. And as Hodgepodge Dodge Garage always says, get out there and work on your project. Doesn't matter how small. I don't remember if he says this specifically. I'm saying this now. Doesn't matter how small. Just get out there and do something when you have time, if that's your hobby. Be good to yourself and your friends and your family, and have a great Sunday. Later.